I hope this video helped. Please check out the playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. So the side view mirror on my 2022 Chevy Suburban needs to be replaced. So basically our side view mirror came in contact with something while driving, slamming it closed, resulting in our glass being shattered. This is the new side view mirror that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for this and anything else that I use in this video. I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn from any qualifying purchases when using my link. So I'm wearing my cut resistant gloves for this because I am going to be working with glass. So I just need to get behind this and pop it off basically. So I got one side off here, got the other side off there. And there's what the mirror looks like on the other side. So here's my new one. As you can see, we're going to have to transfer over this plug and these two plugs here. So this plug is a little different than the other one. The plug is on the facing straight out instead of down. So hopefully that doesn't make a difference, but we'll see. So removing these plugs, I'm just going to grab and wiggle. It's just a spade connector and then it comes off. And then same with the other one. Grab, wiggle, just slides right off. So for this one here, we need to get some slack in this cable. So we got to get the cable out of the little cable holder. So pull out on the tab here to get the cable out. And then there's another tab here. Pull out on that. And I'll weave the cable out of that one as well. This one goes up. This one goes down. Alright, that's all weaved out. So now I just gotta grab it and pull and wiggle until it comes out. Alright, there it came unplugged. We're also gonna need to transfer these pins over, the metal pins. If you want to support my channel, leave a super thanks below, or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description. It'll both get a free stock, or you can purchase these products through a link in the description. I'll get a little commission. Continue watching. So I need to get these three standoffs here taken off. Now, it's a little interesting because the placement on the new one is different for these standoffs. So hopefully that doesn't matter. So the way these come out is there's a little tab right there that you need to push in, push down on in order to get these to unlock. You push it in and then it unlocks and then you can slide it out. Just slide it on the new one. There we go. Alright, they're all slid on, so I think we're good to plug everything in and then pop it back on. Alright, I'm going to start with these spade connectors here. There we go. Alright, and they do snap when they get on all the way. So this wire here, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and then fish it around all the loops. It's plugged in. There's a loop here. And it goes around, plugs, kind of slides into this slot here. There we go. And then comes around and slides into a slot up here. It's expecting more slack than what it's got. There we go. Okay, I just had to pull a little more because it's got to be clipped around that wire. And then just be mindful of your vehicle that you don't scratch it all up with this this mirror when you're working. There we go. I got that snapped in there. You want to make sure your wires here are not going to get pinched. So there's another little catch-all here for the wires. You slide all those in. They're all back in. Let's hope this snaps on okay. So one thing I noticed is it doesn't really go down as far as it should. I have a feeling it's due to those metal standoffs not lining up just exactly right. So I'm going to pop it off again and just see if it's maybe just an alignment issue and I got to get it right. Alright, since this bottom one doesn't line up, I'm just going to take this bottom tab off, slap it back on, and see if that fixes it. The other two seem to line up just fine. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now I got it all lined up again. Alright, now it actually seems to fit in there a little better. So I got my full range of motion back. The one thing that's a little concerning is it doesn't really seem to stop as it's going down. That metal part seems to act more as a stop to keep it from going too far. But it didn't seem to bother it any when I maxed it out all the way. It didn't seem to break anything or act in any odd way. But now it's all in there all the way. It's all lined up. And I got full range motion now of the side view mirror again. Just had to remove that one because it didn't line up. Yeah, that looks much better. I'm just going to get it adjusted to where it is that I want it. Now that I have it where I want it, just go ahead and hit set. And then my preset is 2, so I use that one. And now it saves my preset. So to check if that little light works in the top right, you just turn your car on and it comes on automatically for a little bit. Yep. See, it's all lit up. It works great. Well, even though I had to remove that bottom metal standoff stopper guide thingy, everything seems to be working great. Made a car ride just fine. Nothing fell apart. It seems to be in there pretty solid. And I'd say that's a success. And I would say that's a success. Clean off all my smudge marks. And then we're done. Looking good. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. And I have an Instagram. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.